and gentlemen, at this time, would you please rise and remove your caps as we honor America with the singing of our national anthem. Tonight's national anthem will be performed by Wilbert Robles.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous night, o'er the ramparts we watched, were so glad.